How to send money from Nexuspay into Bkash. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can send your money over from your Nexuspay account directly into Bkash. Now, I'm not be able to show you directly from the application itself because Nexuspay does not allow a screen recording from the interface of the application. But it's very simple. All I have to do is, of course, download and install this application here. Now, if you have the application already, you're just going to make sure that you're currently using the latest version of the app to avoid any problems in the future. And once you've done that, log in into your account, and then at the upper left portion of your screen on the application, you simply choose on send. Now once you're current on send, you simply input the Bkash account type, input your Bkash account number, and as well as the specific amount of money that you will be sending. And that's basically it. That's how you send money from Nexuspay into Bkash.